I know that's scary to some folks, so hold on, let me pause.
Huh? Oh, David, pineapple or long pizza?
No, you gotta eat all of it. Bro, eat it. No. Bro, no.
No way to say it's not that bad.
It is bad?
Not really.
Not really? Ah.
Wait, what did you bet it? Wait, what did we bet it?
What happened?
It hurt my stomach, bro.
The food hurt your stomach that you ate?
Yeah.
Wait, let me see. Let me see. Does it hurt? Let me see, bro.
It hurts like crap.
Yo, his stomach. Nah, back up. So you said it was all fine. Now you ate it and it hurts your stomach?
Yeah, I'm about to throw up.
Oh, now we at service, gang.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, look.
We're gonna try this again. It's okay. It's okay. Right here, we're gonna try this again. It needs a calibration. All right. Yellow ring. Green ring. Blue ring. Give a loving round of applause. So far, what does it mean when I do this? Not that simple part.
See, when the Lord gave me this painting, I was going through a time in my life. Your life seems like a puzzle that just don't fit together. And you know, in those times, I find that when I began to seek God and really pray, and I just really began to look to Him, right in the middle of my situation, I find Jesus. Come on.
Boys and girls, is to keep your mouth closed in church, closed about Jesus, to keep you silent in your worship, to keep you silent in your prayer life. But how can we be quiet when there's a Jesus who loves us?
Right.
How can we?
And service is over. We back. Going to the room, y'all. Peace out. Bro, do y'all know how to make a bed?
Yeah.
Are you recording this?
No.
No, I can't.
Right. I'm getting tired, bro.